Lord Narayana, Sriman Narayana. To the attention of dear devotees, the devotional drama which was supposed to start at 6 p.m. because of some technical reasons transferred into another drama form and will start soon. Another important thing, the master of elephant Ediyur Anandan, please attention. The master of Ediyur Anandan elephant, Golden Babu, please listen, please attention. Please move your elephant from the way as soon as possible.
Hey kid, you have a small one.
This is not your normal Siva. I am the hero of the play. Hanuman seen in Lanka. That's the drama's name. Drinking is not allowed here.
Committee members, they are disturbed.
Oh.
They will come now.
They don't know about me.
Look.
Look at the strength of my arm. Look,
It will
look at
crash
here.
like anything.
You
It
look at
will
here.
crash.
Look.
It will go like anything.
Hey, move. Ladies and gentlemen, dear art lovers, our new drama, Hanuman's Lanka Dahanam, will be started soon and we are grateful to the committee who allowed to play our drama here.
Don't hit me.
Hey. Beat them, man. Beat him. Don't leave him. Yeah, catch him. Hey, beat it hard, man. Yeah, he's going over. Hey, he's going there. Come on. Catch him.
Person.
Let them beat. Beat him.
Hey, someone help me, please.
Hey, go. Follow him. He's there. Catch him.
Hey, leave my tail.
Beat it hard, man. Yeah. Punch him on the face.
Hey, don't hit me.
Punch it, man.
You don't know my strength.
Yeah.
Hey,
Kicking hard. Kick him hard.
please, people, help me.
Punch him, man. Yeah. Hey, he's going there. Hey. Come on, catch him.
Help me, my dear peoples.
Hey, catch it, man. Hey, he's moving.
He will face the problem.
He's running away. Hey, catch him. Yeah, beat him, man. Kick on his face. Yeah. Punch him, man.
Hey, don't do that.
Yeah, punch him, man. Hey. Hey, catch him, man. Yeah, catch him.
Come inside with your right leg.
Hey, look here. Please give me a good pose. Please smile. Mom, please come here. Yes, come. Please come here, Mom. Please come. I'm taking their photo. Stand there. Smile.
Hey.
Does he actually know how to
Actually,
take
I
photos?
don't like this taking photo and all.
Is there any usage by taking photos in this age? We can take in the last minute. We can frame it in your house.
You took everything.
Yes, I took everything.
Okay, it's
dear.
fine.
You go and come.
Then we'll go and come.
Okay, go and come. You don't have to go and come. You can stay there for 2 days and come. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Bye.
Mom, shall I go and come?
Hey, San. Don't stay for too many days. Don't roam. Come fast, okay? You can go now.
Okay.
Bye.
Still, this is not done.
It will be finished soon, brother.
Mom, have your medicines at correct time.
Hey, go man. Are you only giving medicine every day?
Shall we go?
Yeah. Bye bye.
This leaf is fully wasted, man. Shit. Hey Usha,
Yes,
the kids came.
Oh,
Arrange
they-
everything. I will arrange the
Dad
rest
is
of the things
busy
with the
today.
backyard, okay?
I think he's
Let me go and check that.
Your dad now. You don't have work today.
No, today is just a committee meeting, that's why.
Okay.
You come. There is no use of going even, that's it.
Mom, what about uncle? Did they went?
come dear.
Mom is trying
Come
to
here.
cook something for you.
Yeah, you
Go,
come
man.
first.
Uh,
Go.
Okay, come. Hey, give him something to drink.
Krishna, why are you sitting here alone?
Nothing, teacher.
Do you have any problems?
No.
Are you okay? Let me know if you have any problems.
Sure. Dear? Where is he? Dear? Hey.
Huh?
What is this?
What happened?
Throw it away.
Should I?
Yes, throw it.
Okay,
Come
move.
on. If dad comes to see all this, no? Gone. Yeah. Come, dear.
Hey, come fast.
Coming, dear.
Here, everyone will sleep early, right? Actually, you're looking so glamorous today.
Go away. Actually, I wanted to tell you something.
Tell.
Last week, because of our marriage, I lost so many classes. Can I start the classes from the next week?
Let's start about the next week classes next week only. Don't spoil my mood for the next few days, Janu. Oh. Hey.
Janaki dear. Janaki.
Yes, mom? Oh no. What's wrong with mom?
Dear.
Yeah, coming, mom.
Do
What's
you know how
mom?
to cut fish?
No, mom. I don't know.
No problem. I will teach you. Come to the kitchen.
Oh no. I have some clothes to fold on and all.
That's okay. I have it. After doing this, I will give mine also. You come.
Oh no. Will it be okay if I cut it?
Today I will cut and show you. Tomorrow onwards, you have to do it. Come, dear.
What should I do now?
You know, dear, Ram is looking like handsome like his father only. But his intelligence is mine.
No.
Look and learn. Take some more salt.
Where is it?
Give it to me.
Oh, you know, you came early today.
Yes, I have a bad headache.
What happened?
Take this. Where is mom?
She's at the backside. What's inside this cover?
Anu brother had called me. He said that visa will be very soon. I have to go to Hyderabad for the next 2 weeks. The rest of the things, everything will be in a hurry-burry only.
I wanted to tell you something.
Tell me.
There was a call from the coaching center today. I told you about going to the class, right? He wants to know why I am not going there.
Is that a very big deal? Don't you have any time left? Please don't waste your time.
Actually, exams are going to start, so I have to prepare for that.
Hey Janaki, how can you live in middle of these things? I have lot of things to do. My mom is also alone here. Now you are going to class and exams is not good for this time.
No, class is only till afternoon.
See, it's just only 2 weeks, okay? I will be there for that. After that, it will take a year for me to come back here. Don't keep me waiting. Go and get a strong cup of tea for me. Oh my God.
Just tell your mom not making any tea.
You just be silent.
Knife is so sharp.
Mom?
Hey, idiot! You came here? Who is your mom? Mother. You are a disgrace to our family. Get out of my house. If you come inside, I will break your legs.
Oh my
Stupid
God.
fellow. You
What is
don't
she
come
doing?
inside my house. Don't you have any shame?
What
How
do
you
she
came
is-
here?
Rama, please be
Hey,
quiet.
why you came? Who's
Don't
your
get
mom?
angry. Look,
Who's your mom?
Rama, listen to me.
Sister, I'm getting angry.
Rama, why are you shouting like this? People are listening to you.
Now what the village people need to know? Now your parents are ashamed of everything, right? You have come with the oranges to console us.
That I have told you, don't buy orange.
You're talking as if I'm the first one who's doing like this.
You shameless girl. I brought you up very disciplined and you ran away. When other girls are ran away, it's easy to talk and laugh.
Rama, you listen to me and go
Now
inside.
she's coming to
Go.
console me. You don't know the pain of that. I only know. Did you feel that?
Mom.
I don't want her. I don't want to see her.
Hey boy,
What, auntie?
you call her and go from here.
I already told you after having baby we will come. Come.
You know, I had so much hope
You
on
start the
her.
fight.
She cheated me like
You
this.
don't listen my words.
She didn't find any other guy or not. She cheated me.
I'll just try with mom. Might be she will agree. Okay, how I will start?
Kochi, that best swimmer, has drowned and died. Oh God, he was my classmate. Only this much is life. What happened, dear? Do you have any throat pain?
No, mom. I wanted to tell you something.
Yeah, tell me. I'm listening.
I was going to PSC class before marriage. Those exams are coming up. If I'm writing, I'll get a job.
So?
Mom, it's a government job, no? I'll get a good salary also. If I'm having job, that's good, right?
He has a job. Why do you want to work with
If I also have job, that will be helpful for him also, right?
Hey, dear. If you have started working, I will be alone here.
Oh,
I will
no.
get bored and tired.
If your husband allowed you for job, no? You will be in a good position and you will get a good salary now, right?
He was not at all going for any job here. I made him go for job. If I also going for job, that boy will die out of starving.
No, ma'am. I didn't mean to say like
No,
that.
dear. You go to the kitchen. When he is coming, dishes should be ready. Go and try to cook something. Then take one more carrot juice. Take one more. Let me light
Don't
up.
get white if you drink milk also. Hell
The
only.
government servant killed by her husband. What is going on here?
Have it. Huh? Hey, Sudhakar, are you still alive?
No, I just born now. Where did you come from? He was searching for me.
Should I slap myself for asking him?
Hey, Wilson, please give me a glass of tea.
I won't give you anything. Hey, Sudhakar,
Huh?
find somebody for me also.
Huh. Can you bear?
Brother, one tea.
Ah,
Who is this? Sudhakar? It's been a while. Where you have been all these days?
Oh, I was in Pujapura for a while. After that, I had to go to Viur and then some other places.
Where? In jail?
No, not in jail. Why should I go to jail? I was in an arrangement of a wedding. That's it, nothing more. I want to meet our Vijayan Chetan.
For what? I think he's going to beaten up.
here it is. Have some tea.
No, I have asked tea.
Actually, he told me to find a good boy for his daughter.
Oh,
I
is
was
it?
in search for a long time, but I couldn't find any good boy. But now I have got a good one.
Oh,
Their stars also matching. If it happens,
Wow.
you will get a good treat.
you will have to pet. Sudhakar, you should check your astrology. It's better for
Oh
you.
no, why?
Hey, her marriage is over.
Eh?
You useless all over.
When? I didn't know about that.
Huh. Who was the person you were? Know her marriage. Huh. Do you know who is married her?
Who?
Our Ram.
Actually, not that. Actually, how did this happen so fast? Oh,
Everything happened so
let
fast.
it happen. But my
Don't
commission.
come front of him and don't talk like this, okay? I don't want tea. I am going.
He is a fool. I will arrange your marriage, boy. Give me a dalvada.
Actually, I have a doubt that I'm pregnant or not.
What? Really? Did you tell mom?
No.
Just do one thing. Get ready soon. Let's go to the hospital and confirm the thing. I'm going to tell everyone.
No. If a baby is born at this time,
Okay, what?
actually, I don't have a job and you also don't have a
don't
job.
worry
and
about that. I will take care of that.
Not that I'm worried. I am already prepared for the exam and also, but if a baby is born at this time, what I will.
Janaki, I can understand what you're trying to say. You're a family woman now. Don't let mom hear this. Got it right? Just get ready. We are going to the hospital.
Check. It's not a chess.
Then you put some name for this in English.
You just play, man.
This
You
is
don't
too
know how
much.
to play the game, man. Teaching me.
I have to solve it somewhere.
The bellman coming here.
What is the way?
Next. Oh, it's in trap. How to escape? Oh, what he's looking. Oh, if I move this, he will kill this. He's small boy. You just play the game.
continue,
come
continue.
on, continue. There are no smokers.
He will solve.
Who is calling now? I'm very busy in work. Is it him? Dude, tell me.
Bro, I have a news.
What is it?
I'm going to become a father.
Huh? Which seminary?
Hey, Janaki is pregnant now.
Oh, you are little cheat. You have cheated me, right? I feel proud of you, man. So, a small payment is not enough.
Let it be. Anything is possible.
Oh, okay, so I'm going. See you later, okay? Okay?
You come with everyone. Okay.
Okay.
See you.
Okay. You play the game.
Yeah, let's continue.
It's over. Hey, go careful.
Come by this way, man.
Beat up you.
Okay, we should not tolerate this kind of thing. We should talk to the leader and
There's a
sit
ditch
down.
over there. Come this way.
Go next year, next time.
Don't do silly things.
Someone is here.
Hey, what's this?
Make noise. Okay.
Who is that? Hey, is that
Oh my God.
Even this road has the more pothole than our road, but I think this is the better road than ours. I think we have the worst roads. Dear son.
You came
Take
so
this.
early.
Give it to me.
Yeah, I'm coming. Right.
Yeah, get in. Come on.
Yes.
Said a happy news to us. That's why I have skipped every programs today.
Yeah, please come on.
Where is the mom, dear son?
Sit down first.
Where is the
Huh?
mom, dear son?
Mom? I didn't want to come in a hurry.
Oh, that's not an issue. We are from there, right? Dear.
Mom. Darling, are you okay, my darling? I'm sad you didn't tell me. Ram had to call us and tell.
Yeah. Son told everything.
It's
he will
okay.
check it.
Then
when you are leaving,
only 3 days left. I have to go within that.
what about the vehicle?
Yeah, everything is ready.
Super.
Huh?
Hello, ma'am.
Is this Vijayan? What's the matter?
Nothing much. I'm great. How are you?
My daughter is not feeling well, so I had some work in the kitchen.
How she's acting nicely. As if she is only doing everything.
Where have I kept that? Actually, what is your problem now? I just called them and informed the news.
Oh, as if you told them because you love them so much. I know why you told them.
Then tell me, why?
Do you remember one thing? I told you one thing before we decided to get married. You agreed to it also.
Okay, I agreed. But we are doing this with both of our consent, right? This is not only happening for you, right?
No, but I want to know one thing. Why did you marry me? I should suffer in this kitchen or I should listen to you whatever your mother is telling.
See, after marriage, you can work in kitchen as a housewife. And that's not a big deal.
I don't have a problem in working in kitchen. I don't have any issue for working also.
Then what's your problem?
It's been only few days since I got married, but I'm feeling like I'm in a jail.
Janaki, enough. You're talking too much. If you talk more than this, I will hit you.
Oh my God, I have to pay for the case. Oh, it's too much cost. Just open it. Oh, it's very weight. Okay, we have to go quick. I will write that.
Have it. Mom, I will be back.
What's the matter?
I'm leaving now.